Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So here, Hasni, first, like I said, we will go in reverse way. Solution. What is that? Let root 5 is a rational number. We will take, let us assume. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let root 5 is a rational number. This is assumption only, Hasni.
Okay.
Let us assume also we can write, or you can write the statement, or you can write in the bracket it's assumption, or you can write let us assume root 5 is a rational number. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Now what I will do is Hasni, let root 5 is a rational number. So hence I can write root 5 as root 5 is equal to p by q form. Yes or no?
Okay.
Where p comma q are coprimes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Actually, as per the definition of rational number, p and q are integers where q not equal to 0. Here coprimes also they will come under integers.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Now we'll cross multiply this as well. What we'll get? This is by 1, no, nothing is. So p is equal to root 5 into q. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni, this?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Now to solve an equation which has square root, we need to remove the square root, Hasni. So for that we should do squaring on both sides.
Okay.
SBS means what, Hasni?
Square
Squaring on.
by both sides.
Yes, Hasni. So if you square it on both sides, it will become p square, left side will be root 5 q whole square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So p square is equal to root 5 q whole square. Root 5 square will become what, Hasni? This square is for both of
5.
them inside.
Yes, sir. 5q square.
Yes, Hasni. Root 5 square root got cut to q square.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
More clearly means root 5 square into q square. Root 5 square 5 root will get cut q square. Okay, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni? Means?
No, sir.
Now, Hasni, this step is now if you observe p square is written as 5 into something. No, this meaning
Yes, sir.
means what? Now try to recollect that theorem. The theorem states that what is the theorem? Here we can clearly observe p square is some number which is multiple of 5.
Okay.
5 into something means what? This p square is getting divided with 5. Some because before I was giving you some example. Suppose, for example, 15 is divisible by 5. 15 is equal to 3 into
5.
5. So whenever some number is written as product of something, that number will divide this exactly. And here 5 is the quotient.
Okay, sir.
Yes or no, Asmi?
Yes, sir.
Same way now. With this, what we can understand now? This equation means that p square is exactly divisible by. Asmi, p square is exactly divisible by.
5q square.
No, 5 only. Asmi. Q
5, sir.
square is like q square is like 5 into that.
Oh, yes, sir. 5, sir. 5, sir.
Q square is like quotient. Asmi.
Oh,
Is like 15 how 3 into 5 5 is a quotient, and then here p square is divisible by 5. Similarly p square is divisible by q square also, then q square into 5 will be the quotient if we are dividing with q square, but we require that 5. So here we are writing. You should ask me what I'm trying to do. Hello.
not clearly, sir.
Means here when you write 15 is equal to 3 into 5 has to both vice versa, like 15 is divisible by 3 also,
And 5
and
also.
15 is, and 5 also. When you divide with 5, 3 is the quotient, then we'll write 5 into 3. When you divide with 3, we'll write 3 into 5.
Okay, sir. Oh.
So something you wrote it as product of something else means both of them are factors of 15.
Yes, sir.
Similarly here, p square we have written it as 5 into q square means the meaning is p square is exactly divisible by 5 also, q square also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, means p square is divisible by q square means quotient is 5. P square is divisible by 5 means quotient is q square.
Oh, okay, sir.
Understood, Hasmi, or no, Hasmi?
Okay, so now I understood, sir. So according to
Yes,
this,
Hasmi.
Q square is the quotient, sir.
Yes, Hasmi. When you divide p square with 5, q square is a quotient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or if you divide p square with q square, 5 is the quotient as per this equation.
Oh, okay, sir.
But anyways, we don't require the other one, q square one. We require only this one. From above, we can tell that what is that one which requires from above equation. From above equation, you can tell p square is exactly divisible by exactly something divisible by pi, no?
Yes, sir.
So just before we learned one theorem, Hasni, when 5 is a prime number, no, here.
Yes, sir.
So 5 divides p square means what is the meaning of this? P square is exactly divisible by 5 means 5 divides p square. So 5 divides p also as per the theorem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before I shown with example, Hasni. Suppose 3 divides 6 square, that is 6. 3 divides 6 also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any here 5 is a prime number. Like in the example, 3 is a prime number. Here 5 is a prime number which is dividing a perfect square p square. So 5 divides p also.
Oh, okay, sir.
So now we write so what will write as like so 5 divides p as well.
Yes, sir.
So if 5 divides p Hasini, now you can add p is equal to 5 into
Yes, sir.
5 into something else. So
Okay,
no,
sir.
Hasini, because 5 divides p means p is equal to 5 into because the meaning is p is divided by 5 means what 5 table p will come. That is the meaning. So 5 into some quotient. That quotient since already we used q letter, here I'm using m.
Okay, sir.
Understood Hasini clearly?
Yes, sir.
So now we will take this 5 p is equal to 5m and we'll keep it in that p square is equal to in this equation we'll keep it. This let us take it as equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Substitute in equation 1. We will get p square is equal to what is equation 1? P square is equal to 5q square. So in the place of p, I am writing 5m Hasni. Okay,
Okay, sir.
5m whole square is equal to 5q square. So 5m whole square, what it will become, Hasni?
25.
5m into only 25m Hasni.
25 m square, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So which is equal to 5q square. Now, Hasni, if you observe, we can find out q square from this. What will become q square you want means 5 will go that side, no?
Yes, sir.
Can I write q square is equal to 25m square by
By 5.
25m square by
5.
yes, 5 ones are
5.
5 5. So we'll get q square is equal to 5m. Now, Hasini, you can observe this and this Hasini. First equation and this one. P square is equal to 5q square means we understood that p square is exactly divisible by 5 now. Hasini.
Yes, sir.
Because p square is equal to 5 into something means it means p square is divisible by 5. Now we got an equation similar to that here. q square is equal to 5 into m square.
M square.
Means what? So q square is exactly, what should I write? Q square is exactly
Divisible by
lastly
5 square.
divisible by
5 square. 5 M
s
square.
because the reason is actually q s me or ask me, you know.
No, sir.
Yes, actually the reason is q square is equal to 5 into something means what? Q square is exactly divisible by 5. 5 into something like 25 is equal to 5 into 20 is equal to 5 into 4 like that. Means what? It is 20 is divisible by 5. That is the mean. Q square is equal to 5 into something means q square is exactly divisible by 5. Okay, Ashley?
Okay, sir.
Now if q square is exactly divisible by 5, again that theorem has 5 is a prime number. Q square is a perfect square. Q square means what? Q square means it's a perfect square. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So q square is divisible by 5 means now what should we write using the theorem? If q square is divisible by 5, hence
Q
q
is
is
also is
also
equals to 5. Divisible by 5.
nice, Ashley, nice, Ashley. Hence q is also divisible by 5 with that theorem. Means the theorem tells that any prime number is dividing a perfect square like a square, then the prime number will divide a also.
Okay, sir.
Here 5 is a prime number which is dividing q square, so 5 divides q also. So now what we can understand from this actually, before we got that p is here, we got once p square is exactly divisible by 5, so 5 divides p as well we wrote now actually statement here.
Okay, sir.
Now 5 divides q as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now if 5 divides both p and q actually, then can p and q become co-prime? Because in the starting we took p and q as co-prime. What we took as me in the starting?
P and Q is a co-prime.
Co-primes, no? Which
Yes.
means they should not have any common factor, no? Except
No.
1. But we got, when we are doing the sum, we got that 5 divides p also, 5 divides q also in the last.
Yes, sir.
So can p and q become co-prime now, Hasni? Because if
No,
they are
sir.
co-prime, they should not have any common factor except 1.
No, sir.
So since we got, while doing the sum, p and q are divisible by both p and q are divisible by 5, they cannot be co-prime as per our assumption.
Yes, sir.
So why this situation came? Because we took a wrong assumption.
Yes, sir.
We took in the starting where root 5 as rational number and so root 5 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-primes. That itself is wrong. That's why we got something wrong in the middle while solving.
Yes, sir.
So now we will end the statement like this, Ashley. Here final statement is important, Ashley. How we will write this is contradiction to our assumption that this is contradiction means reverse we got.
Okay, sir.
This is contradiction to our assumption that p and q are p comma q are co-prime as both are divisible by 5. From above. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Then what we write? This contradiction arised because of our wrong assumption that root 5 is a rational number. Hence root 5 is irrational number.
Okay, sir.
This statements only little looks and lengthy, Hasni. It's a 3 marks. If this will come means it will come for 3 marks. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
This contradiction arised due to our wrong assumption that root 5 is a rational number. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Hence, root 5 is, we'll finally write, hence, root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
True.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So, Hasni, in the same way, once you will learn this one and you will take prove that root 3 as irrational. Same way you should do it, Hasni, as it is. Wherever 5 is there generally it will come 3, but the procedure, if you understood, you will not confuse anyway, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So,